me spinach. I said, I'm sorry, but that's not possible. She insisted, and I refused. She walked away upset. Before you ask, for those of you who don't have experience juicing, I can tell you that making pure spinach juice is a bad business decision on the restaurant's part because it takes a ton of spinach to make a 16-ounce glass of juice. I'm not exaggerating. It would take me 3 huge bags that could make maybe 10 salads apiece just to make one juice. So that's 30 meals consisting primarily of spinach just to make one juice cup. So anyway, next morning my boss came in and says to me that the lady was complaining about me and saying that I refused to serve her. So I tried to explain to him, but he stopped me and said that whatever the customer wants is what I should give. He pretty much said, you're here for a certain job. If you don't want to do it, go home. So I said, fine, you're the boss. She comes in later that day and asks for an all-spinach juice. So I do as I'm told. I went to the basement, got 3 super-sized bags of spinach, and started to throw them in the juicer by the fistful. As I'm about to finish, my boss is coming upstairs and sees what I'm doing and immediately flips out. What the heck do you think you're doing? I said, exactly what you told me to make juice for that crazy lady. He says, are you stupid? Look at all the spinach you're wasting. Me again. Well, I tried to tell you, but you didn't want to hear it. He ended up banning the lady from the restaurant entirely, and I was happy he felt as frustrated as I did when he scolded me for refusing something which was in his benefit. Am I the jerk for not thinking the joke my family played on my girlfriend was a big deal? I, 25 male, have a girlfriend, 23 female, who's absolutely beautiful, but she does have a large facial scar. My family often jokes about it. They have a super dark sense of humor. It bothers my girlfriend, and she says it doesn't feel like a joke. It feels like she's being insulted under the pretense of it being dark humor. Even though I explain it's just how they are and they don't mean any harm, she doesn't really want to be around them. I told her it was really important to me that we spent Christmas with my family. We would all quarantine first and test, but it was important to me. She resisted at first, but after some urging from me, she gave in. She said I absolutely could not excuse their behavior if they made a rude comment about her mom. We got there, and it was fine for a while. Then my mom and sister broke out their matching ugly sweaters that had my girlfriend's face all over it. They both laughed, saying my mom made them, screen printed, and it was just a joke. My dad thought it was hilarious. I even chuckled a little, because she's really beautiful, so it was ironic they put her on the ugly sweater. My girlfriend looked at me, and when I said they were just being ironic, she shook her head, got up, and left. Didn't say anything to anyone, just took her car and left. I called her several times, and she didn't answer. The only text I received was, you need to find your own way home. That upset me, and I called her a couple more times. The whole time, my mom was upset, because it was just a joke, and she didn't realize my girlfriend was going to overreact like that. I told her that a warning would have been nice, but my sister agreed it was just a joke, and my girlfriend was being a baby about it. I had another fight with my girlfriend when I finally got home, and she said I was a jerk for putting her in that situation, and I said I didn't realize they were going to do that, and they were just being ironic because she was beautiful. She said I let them treat her badly, and was trying to make it her fault when it was my family who was acting badly. I said it was just a joke, and that she was overreacting. She asked how it was supposed to be a joke. I said that was just their sense of humor. I said I was sorry she was offended by the joke, but she ruined the whole day with her reaction. She said that no, them realizing she wasn't going to take their BS anymore ruined the day. We aren't speaking currently, but when a cousin called to wish me a Merry Christmas and asked how the day went, I mentioned what happened, and he straight up called me a jerk for doing that to her. I don't really think I've done anything though. I didn't know they were going to do that, and really it was just a joke, and I think she's overreacting. Am I really the jerk here? Well, what do you think? Is OP the jerk for not sticking up for his girlfriend, or not? Please let us know. Sounds kind of cruel to me, to be honest. And when I call something cruel, you know it ain't right. I'm a server, too. Jerk? No, you're not. I had the most annoying table at work today, and just wanted to vent about it. I work at a casual, family-style Greek restaurant. Today at lunch, I got seated with a party of 4, 2 women and 2 kids. You know how sometimes you can tell right off the bat that a table is going to be difficult before they even say anything? This was one of those times.